Welcome to the engineering summary update for the sprint ending on February 1st, 2022. So this sprint, we didn't get to work on the ability for a security guard to see all access hours for a guest, as we realized that one of the features was not fully fleshed out, and therefore we will be doing it this coming sprint. In terms for simplifying the registration process, we decided to put this feature on hold as we want to focus on CRM features for Ciudad Morazan. For the forms and workflow section, we worked on fixing the DRC dashboards filter. So now the DRC dashboard filters the task correctly when clicked on. We changed the linked icon on the quick links, and we cleaned up the list of tech data items incurred in the next print. We also changed the task form link format and conducted a regression UI UX test. We also improved the task summary and added the ability to have multi-lines on comments and cleaned up the process tab. Processes templates have been paused right now as we decided to focus our effort on delivering the best experience for the DRC process. We had a few miscellaneous tasks. We continued our cleanup of the Jest log to 313 warnings. It says 400 here because that's what the goal was. And we added a completed add field for the task. We wanted to remove all non-critical vulnerability issues. However, we have hit an issue with Webpacker, and it will cause us to migrate to ESBuild if we want this critical vulnerability to be solved. We have also redesigned the new campaign screen or the campaign screen, and as well as the ability to add and update new campaigns. Next sprint, we will finally work on the ability for a security guard to see all access hours for a guest. And for forms and workflows, we want to import the client data or the DRC data for the client. We want to fix all the issues that were found during the regression test that happened this sprint. And we will update the DRC project title names with user input from the forms. The CRM development effort will be primarily focused on the lead generation interface and making our forms public. We will continue our Jest log cleanup to 250 warnings, as well as I'm hoping to be able to remove all non-critical vulnerabilities. We only have one, but I also want us to remove 3 non-high vulnerability issues this sprint. We will be adding Get Access to GreenPark because they do want to use our Get Access product. And we also want to add a friendlier version of our user list manager in the campaign screen. So for the DRC and the DLP process, the issue that we have is we have no user yet. We are working really hard on making sure on onboarding our current client, and hopefully by the end of next week, they will feel comfortable enough with the product that they will start using it. For GreenPark, I know that tomorrow they will start using the application, and most likely they will have published an article by the end of this sprint, which will make this OKR very successful. So this sprint, we had 36 merge requests. We had 68 issues in the sprint. We completed 42, which means 24 were left open. Most notably, our code coverage in React increased by 1.4%, which caused the overall average to increase by 0.6%, which at 78.87, almost 78.9. We fixed 9 cringy issues and we have 10 remaining. 10 remaining. We have a known vulnerability from the Webpacker library, which forces us to migrate to ES build. We paused development on the task features to focus on improving the user experience for the DRC process, and we are also pivoting to improve our CRM capabilities for our new client in Nigeria. The goal versus actual, we are very much on track to. We are looking pretty good. We are a little bit below on our code coverage. Our goal is 80 watts. We're increasing, but not enough. We're almost there, and our security goals is still not to where the goal should be. But we are taking action on that front, and we are really focusing on the high vulnerabilities and the critical vulnerabilities, not necessarily the mediums and the low vulnerabilities at this point. Thank you.